Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start by going straight to Settings and then Security. Once there, make sure the email on file is accessible because Roblox sends confirmation codes. If you used an authenticator app, have that app open or the device nearby. Enter your account password when prompted to authenticate. Do this now so you can access the two-step verification controls without interruption and avoid repeated lockouts while making changes. Once you locate the two-step verification toggle, select Disable and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to re-enter your password and then provide the current 6-digit code from email, SMS, or your authenticator app. This confirms you control the account. Make sure to check your email inbox and spam folder for the Roblox confirmation message. After entering codes, press Confirm. Roblox will update security settings immediately and remove the extra authentication step for future logins. After disabling, sign out and sign back in to verify the change. This ensures you won't encounter unexpected prompts later. You should also remove any linked authenticator apps or trusted devices from the same security page to tidy up access. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use the account email recovery option and follow the instructions Roblox provides. Make sure to check spam. If recovery fails, contact Roblox support with account details and proof of ownership as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.